So we made a stop and we found this beautiful kitten that I want to take, but Jehian is not allowing me to. How do you feel about yourself?
I didn't say no.
You want to go with me? So we have arrived to the first location.
Yeah.
It's raining. Jehian gave me his poncho because he doesn't want to ruin his outfit. And you're beautiful.
Why am I following actual traffic?
Say hi. I love dogs and animals in general, you know. But Jehian says no animals in the house. Very friendly dog.